Good morning, DJs. What's going on? So we're going to talk some JASMY. Onyx coin is moonshotting again today, guys. Looking fantastic. We're going to look at some charts. We're going to look at an announcement that Hara said is coming. We're waiting. Let's have a look, guys. So right now, JASMY sitting at, we're up 1.4% on the day. We're down 1.6% on the week. We're up 25.5% on the month, and we're down 25.5% on the month, and we're up 550% on the year. We're even in rank at 76, $1.55 billion market cap. Volume is down a little bit from yesterday, 185.73 million. Looking over at XCN, absolutely crazy, up 38.6% on the day, up 49.4% on the week, up 59.9% on the month, and up 192% on the year. We have moved up 81 spots in rank to 416. The market cap has shot up to 124.34 million, and the volume is up massively to 42.60 million. I know it doesn't sound like much, but we're used to the volume being somewhere between 2 and 3 million. So now you can see why the volume is up so massively. Let's go have a look at some charts here, guys. Things are looking good for the third day in a row across the market. So JASMY still ping-ponging inside of this falling wedge pattern. We wicked down to the target that we put in here a while ago. RSI is in neutral at 45.42. We need to come up and have another test at the top of this trend line up at the 30-day SMA as it is, right? So we got to break above that 30-day SMA because for JASMY specifically, that 30-day SMA has acted as a significant level of resistance in the past. So I do not like being below it much at all. Let's go have a look over at Onyx Coin's charts. Then we'll get into Bitcoin's chart. Boom. Look at that candle, guys. 3 juicy green candles in a row on the breakout. We broke well above my target, well above it. We have broken all the way up to 204,116. So here's the thing, guys. So we've wicked back down to right about here at 203,805. Now, the good thing about this is that we continue to work our way between this level and the top here, right? And we're filling sell orders. So the more we battle up here and we fill these sell orders of people taking profits, the more bullish it is for further continuation to the upside. So we're going to stay on top of it. We'll see what happens. We could come back down and build a consolidation level right around this level here that I have in. I'm hoping we don't quite come down that far, though. Hopefully we can build some sort of a consolidation level in this range here would be perfect, right? So that's what I'm hoping for, guys, but we're going to stay on top of it. So far, it looks absolutely phenomenal, guys. I mean, hey, I hate to say I told you so, but I don't have to say I told you so because our community has believed in this project all along, right? You guys have continued to DCA into Onyx Coin. You've believed in it just like me. And now we're reaping the rewards of that. Now, people are asking me if they should take profits and stuff like that. Guys, listen, that's up to you, okay? For me personally, I have not taken any profits. I don't intend on taking any profits right now because this is a small move compared to where I believe things are going by the peak of the spring pump and even the blow off top in the fall. So for me, I'm not taking anything off the table right now. You guys do what you got to do, but I am not. I'm not at this point. And I know we may, even if we come back down here, you'll start to see some comments. People say, oh, I messed up. I didn't take any profits. Hey, this is a long-term hold, guys, right? This is a long-term hold. So even if that happens, you should never regret your decisions. Even if we come down here and consolidate, we're still up bigly from the symmetrical triangle that we just broke out of. So strap in, strap on, guys. Hold on tight because the ride has not changed. Our targets have not changed. It's just a nice, solid, good feeling to watch our portfolios start to work their ways one more leg up, right? So, all right, let's go look at Bitcoin. Very exciting times, guys. Very exciting times. So Bitcoin wicked down to 97,450 and then worked its way back up again. We're sitting now at $99,650, give or take. So again, the more we close these daily candles above 95K, the more it tells me that the bottom is in, that this was the local bottom. So I will be watching for continuation to the upside at this point, right? But again, this circle here, we got to start closing these candles above this level here, which is right around $102,222. Got to start closing candles above there, guys, because we got to start putting in higher lows. And I think that we will. I think that this double bottom that we have is going to play out. And I think we will break to the upside. Just a matter of when. Is it going to be today, tomorrow, the next couple of days? Well, we'll have to see, right? We'll have to see. All right, let's go have a look at what we got going on with JASMY here. So, as per, again, NeoSun, make sure you give him a follow over on X. It says the acquisition of the privacy mark was a natural step desired, the natural next step desired by the JASMY team. After obtaining the ISMS certification in April of 2024, Optima Solutions Co., with whom JASMY maintained a close collaboration, played a pivotal role in securing both these labels. Through weekly dedication and rigorous work, they ensure compliance with the requirements and achieved the certification in record time. More certifications. So the Privacy Mark Study Group, guys, we supported JASMY, a company established by senior colleague whom I had helped while I was working at Sony. He's talking about Ondo. I obtained the in obtaining the ISMS certification. Thank you so much. Next, we will also be supporting the P Mark. Thank you very much for your support. JASMY software developments in the IoT field, the ISMS certification, Optima Solutions. Absolutely amazing. Congratulations to the JASMY team. You love seeing that, guys. You love seeing that. What else do we got? From the Sky Ambassador, it says, people also ask, is JASMY regulated in Japan? I bring this up because somebody made a smart-ass comment in the comment section of one of my videos yesterday saying, I don't know where you're seeing the JASMYs legally regulated in Japan. I saw that they used to be, but they're not anymore. First of all, that doesn't make any sense. They used to be legally regulated, but they're not anymore, yet nothing has changed with the company in that way. How does that make sense, right? People got to think before you talk sometimes, right? So anyway, with regulatory clarity, yes. Here we go. Is JASMY regulated in Japan? With regulatory clarity in Japan, JASMY is well positioned to expand its adoption globally. December 3rd, that was last month, okay? So people saying that it used to be, someone saying it used to be, got to do better research, man. Got to do better research, right? That's the biggest problem, is that you get people in the comment section of videos and stuff, and they say, well, I couldn't find anything. Well, what did you do? Half a minute of research? Did you even type anything into Google? Or did you just say you never saw anything and that was the level of your research? You know what I'm saying? Like, people are very, very lazy these days. And then the fact that they're, so they don't put in the work, they don't put in the research, and then they'll make a stupid comment. Now you look like a fool, right? So think before you post things, right? Do research before making wild declarations publicly, right? It never turns out well for you. You know what I'm saying? So yes, JASMY is, in fact, the only legally regulated crypto in Japan. So there you have it. And finally, guys, what do we have here? So this was tweeted out from Hara last month. He said, we plan to make an interesting announcement soon. You guys remember I covered this, and it was a retweet of this here from NeoSun, right? Our friend Neo. He says, in the future, Jasmy and Junction will coexist. Jasmy will build its own infrastructure. We will create a vast pool of GPU resources and use it in the AI sector and video games. So this is the context in which Hara retweeted this, saying we have an interesting announcement coming soon. Okay, so he's referring to the vast pool of GPU resources that they're going to use in sectors of AI and video games. So where is said announcement is what we're waiting for. So we are currently on announcement watch. And as soon as we hear anything, get any kind of an update, you guys know this is the place that will be first to tell you what the latest and greatest is, guys. So announcement watch. Let me know, what do you guys think it is? Do you think it's an announcement about the GPU resources themselves? Do you think it's an announcement about those GPU resources being utilized by or with some massive AI company or Web3 gaming? Now, we've speculated in the past, guys, that the fact that Hara had said in his last interview about 2 weeks ago that their plan was to utilize the GPU processing power of their cloud to entice AI companies to join their ecosystem is very, very intriguing, right? And we're going to touch more on that in another video. But yeah, I mean, a lot of very interesting companies could come to want to utilize that GPU processing power, which is a rare commodity in this world, right? So we're going to stay on top of it all, guys. We will let you know what we find out. And guys, listen, I'm so excited about what's going on over on the Patreon right now. The group video calls have been so popular. Everyone's loving it. It's like something you've never experienced before. It's not being offered on any other Discord, any other Patreon. No one is offering the unprecedented access that we are offering to the community, to me. Personally, you get to see and hear everyone and engage with everyone. We record them and then we post them on the Patreon so you can rewatch them as well. A lot of new people like to sit back and just watch them and join them. Once in a while, they'll ask a question, but mostly they'll sit back, take notes. You get to watch a lot of veterans in this industry interact with each other, myself and a bunch of others. We have hundreds of people in the community. We talk about where we think the market's going, what the next move is, what the charts mean, what this could mean, what inflation could mean, what CPI means, all this stuff, guys. You get to sit back and you get to take it all in and absorb it. If you're newer to crypto, it's a very, very powerful tool for learning and entertainment as well. A lot of people, we have a lot of laughs over there too. So definitely join our group video calls, guys. You can also schedule one-on-one coaching AMAs with me personally. So definitely take advantage of the opportunity that's in front of you here. The link is down below. We'll help you with your exit strategies as well. If you don't know how to identify where liquidity is in the market and your sell orders are not going to fill, make sure you're getting over there. We will help you figure that out as well, guys. We'll help you get your exit strategy in place. We'll make sure your portfolio is structured and for maximum ROI and so much more. So click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one.